Hello, my dear friends. Once again, the team of A.S.S Science Foundation is here. Today, we have a very special story of one of our student, IQRA Chaudhary. So, IQRA have done her B.SC in geology from Aligarh Muslim University, and then subsequently she was doing her masters from Jamia Millia Islamia in environmental sciences. So, she joined us for the preparation of NET-JRF. She was studying in our offline center at Delhi, simultaneously also attending the online classes. In that series, IQRA qualified her NET-LS in the first go. Then she was preparing for various entrances and interviews in the institutes such as IITs, ISER, CSIR Lab, and Central University. Right. Then she was preparing very hard for the interview with our team and the proposal writing, and we were preparing her for the interview. In that series, she qualified the net, she qualified the PhD entrance as well as interview at Central University of Rajasthan and offered a final PhD position in environmental sciences at the same. For such a remarkable feat, we would like to congratulate IQRA Chaudhary for the same. She have worked really hard and she achieved the target she aspired to. At present, the institute is offering various programs for NET-JRF, such as live offline program at our Delhi center, live online program, correspondence with video, and only correspondence program for December 2024. The institute is also offering GATE Ecology Evolution and GATE Environmental Sciences and Engineering for the two options. The institute is also offering CUET PG preparation for life sciences as well as environmental sciences. Those who are willing to prepare specially for HPSC exam, Haryana Public Service Commission, which is about to happen in 50 or 60 days, we are also offering a specialized batch for the same. The institute also train people for interview as well as proposal writing for the PhD. So those who are willing to join us, they can reach us as early as possible through the given numbers or our web page or through Instagram or Facebook pages. So if you are willing to qualify the exam in one go with a minimum time investment and the customized program as per your schedule along with the job or along with your college studies, do reach us. Once again, we would like to congratulate IQRA Chaudhary for such a remarkable feat and getting the final PhD position at Central University of Rajasthan, Department of Environmental Sciences. Thank you.